Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Very Short Johnny Cash Show with me, your host, the Very Short Johnny Cash. I'm going to play a song for you, which I wrote many, many years ago when I was taller and still had hair and very much alive. It goes a little bit like this. Thank you. Well, I hear a train a-comin', well, it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. No, that train keeps a-rolling on down to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. Thank you. Well, I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. Well, they're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. But I know I've had it coming, I know I can be free. And those people keep a-moving, and that's what tortures me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on the Very Short Johnny Cash Show this evening, we have three special guests. The richest man in country music over here, we have Mr. Charlie Rich. Give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Over here on the big bass fiddle, the poorest man in country music, waiting for his Mr. Johnny Paycheck. And all the way from Gatlinburg, Tennessee, she's been with me a long time. Please make welcome Miss Dolly Parton. Oh. Yeah, Dolly, play one for us, son. Give her a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Where did he come from? Come over here, son. Quickly now. Come over in the lights where everyone can get a good look at you. Not yet. Please make welcome all the way from Tex-Mex country, Mr. Flaco Jimenez. Play her, son. This is my show. Now if they free me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, well, I bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.